Oh shoot, forgot to add the nose. Hey viewers, welcome to another review. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Breakdramon. If you want to know who Breakdramon is, just go to the Digimon wiki on fandom. Breakdramon is one of the Bogger Army's most powerful warriors, and he is the one where some people believe that destroying the digital worlds was all his doing. And you see Lord Bogra captured Cutemon's parents and placed them in his body so he can have special healing abilities, while Matadormon controlled him as the cockpit. Okay, so I got his eye. Check. Next up is his really big drill. Okay, so okay then, that's good. Here's his really Here's his spikes. Next up, you have to draw his really big, this thing right here. His cord here. Okay, so next up, here's his Next up is his teeth. And there's his face. Next up, you have to draw his really long body. Here's his claws. There's his body, his arm. Here's his neck. Okay, basically you want to go here and slide this thing. What else? Okay, so next up, here's a Okay, next up you have to draw his really big shovel claw. There's his arm right here. And there, you see these things are his drills on his back. They're the drills on his back here. Here's his shovel. Okay, next up is the bucket. If you ask me, Breakdramon has a shovel-like bucket under his body. There we go. Okay, next up, you have to draw his other arm here. There we go. Let's see, what else, aha! Here's his foot. Okay, next up, here we have this block thing. There we go. Okay, last up is his tail. Forgive me if there's no room on this thing. Okay, done. And that's how you draw Breakdramon. Please forgive me if there isn't much room on the paper. I'll explain this real soon. Till then, I'll bid you farewell.